You ready? Let's go find Daddy. He's over here.
Mom was yelling at Dad. I feel so bad. It's like, that's what I'm feeling. And I think it's stressful because yeah, that's a whole different story. But it's even like, I was thinking about it with him. I'm like, oh, I'll probably improve on the first time. Because between having to get kids organized and ready, and then him, everybody asking questions. Like,
Don't fall down. Come on. It's fun. Come on.
yeah, no, that's
How about you? You can walk.
I'm a little controlling.
You're okay. Look how fun. That's nice. That's good. That's fun. I see Daddy. Whee. Hi, Ryan. You can walk. It's fun. All right, come here. Katie. Come here. Hi, baby. Is it fun? I see Katie. Whee! Oh, yeah! Oh, Katie wants you to come down to her. Look at Katie. She said, come here, buddy. Look, your buddy came to watch you ski. All right, so Katie, if you want to turn towards Daddy, do this. Look at Mommy.